It's time to start the first sprint. The first event of a sprint is the sprint planning meeting. As mentioned in the Scrum Guide, the sprint planning participants include the product owner, dev team, and the Scrum Master. The input to this meeting is a prioritized product backlog. The Scrum Master is responsible for scheduling the sprint planning meeting. Let us see how to do this in the simulator. If you are the Scrum Master, you will see this indicator when you log in to the simulator. Do the following. From the top navigation bar, select Sprint Planning. From the side navigation bar, select Sprint Planning and then Run Sprint Planning. A general thumb rule suggests that the time box for a sprint planning meeting is 2 hours multiplied by the number of weeks in a sprint. In this case, there are 2 weeks in a sprint. Hence, the time box will be 4 hours. Change the duration of the sprint planning meeting accordingly. Click Run Sprint Planning Meeting once you have changed the duration. The actual sprint planning meeting will be simulated and you get the following output when you scroll down. The sprint backlog. These are the user stories or PBIs that the dev team have considered for this sprint. Work commitment. These are the user stories from the sprint backlog that each dev team member has committed to. The sprint planning meeting needs to happen at the start of every sprint. You are now ready for sprint execution. All the best.